Magnitude 4.9 earthquake hits Tokyo region, poses no tsunami threat. A magnitude 4.8 earthquake hit Ibaraki, north of Tokyo, at 9:49 a.m. Sunday, shaking buildings in the capital. The earthquake hit at a depth of 70 kilometers and was centered inland, the Japan Meteorological Agency said. There was no risk of tsunami from the earthquake, the agency said, and no immediate reports of damage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.